Hey, it's Jason Gossett again, here for Module 5 of Week 5 for the Interactive Advanced Concepts presentation. So this week we're taking some pennies and dropping them in a mixture of vinegar and salt to see how it dissolves the copper oxide on the pennies, which is basically just that dark stuff that kind of forms over time. So what we'll do first is I'll put some vinegar here in a bowl. So got that. And then we'll pour some salt in there as well. And then I forgot to get a thing to mix it, so I'll grab that really quick. Mix it all up. And now we will drop the pennies in there. So if you come on over real quick, if you can look at them, they're very quickly starting to kind of clear up a lot. You can actually, that one's pretty dark, so you can kind of see it pretty good. And it does say after you take them out, to put them in some water for the first time. So we'll do that in just a minute. Alright, and so I don't touch the vinegar because I don't really like vinegar. I'm going to then drop them in the bowl of water. And that basically, right there, you can kind of see, I mean, it's not super evident, but you can see it stopped the reaction. So it stopped that dissolving of the copper oxide. Sorry about that, it's late. But yeah, so it stopped that for now. So now what I'll do is I will wash off the spoon really quick. Grab these. And now we'll put them back in the vinegar. Or vinegar mixture. Let them sit there for a second, and what I'll do is I'm going to then take them out and immediately put them back on the paper towel without putting them in the water to stop that reaction. So we'll see what happens. Alright. So, grabbing them, putting them on there. You can kind of see that, if I can get this one, that color is starting to kind of fade to a different color. So per the video that we watched, it's supposed to be doing kind of a bluish green, and what that, we'll talk about while we look at it. So what it basically meant is that bluish green is supposed to be happening because the copper atoms on the penny are going to be joining the oxygen from the air and the chlorine from the salt, and basically the vinegar salt mixture is helping dissolve that stuff to make it react quicker to cause a bluish green type color. However, kind of looking at it, it really doesn't seem like it's turning the colors like the video said it should. So I don't know if it needs more time to do so. Well, actually, I kind of see it around the corners of it a little bit, but yeah, not sure why it's not doing it to the extent that the YouTube or example video showed. My guess could be a limitation in this might be the fact that you need a certain mixture of each, and I just kind of guesstimated because there wasn't really measurements for each in the experiment. So that could be the biggest limitation. Who knows? But it'd be good to try it again, maybe with specific measurements, and see what results we could get. But those are the reactions that basically are expected with the solution that was used. Thanks.